Assalamu alaikum. I'm writer Sajawal Saleem Paracha. Hope you people are enjoying a good health. Today I just want to clear some points. I just want to discuss the difference between hobby and habits. Hobby is an activity which we do when we feel comfortable, easy, and free. Many people do not know what is the difference between hobby and habit. Hobby is an activity which we do when we are free. Hobby is a conscious activity. Hobby is an intentional activity. On the other hand, habit is an unconscious activity. Habit is an unintentional activity. Many people like to collect different kinds of flowers. Some people are interested in gardening. Some people are interested in books. People do different things when they feel free or when they are in their comfortable zone. As far as I have, my hobby is to read books. Whenever I feel free and easy, I start reading books. My favorite book is Holy Quran. Stories of all nations, all kinds